exposing the magic in marketing. Let's rewind and see how digital marketing has transformed over the years. From the 1990s internet boom to today's AI-driven campaigns, digital marketing has come a long way. It all started with the first banner ad in 1994 and the rise of search engines like Yahoo and Google. Remember keyword stuffing? Yeah, that didn't last long thanks to Google's PageRank. Then came the social media revolution. Facebook in 2004, YouTube in 2005, and Twitter in 2006, turning marketing on its head. Blogs, content marketing, and Google Ads followed, changing the game yet again. Fast forward to the mobile and video era. Mobile optimization, influencer marketing, live streaming, and short-form videos took center stage. Now we're in the age of AI, automation, and voice search. AI chatbots, personalized ads, and privacy regulations are shaping the future. From banner ads to AI, digital marketing's journey has been nothing short of revolutionary. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come.